Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this TUYU electric spin brush. Here I got it extended all the way. It's got a really nice display. We're going to clean the corners first. You turn it on, it shows you the battery percentage. And then it's got low and then high. But wow, look how long that is. And it is really powerful. And if I need to go up the wall, super powerful. Okay, so now I put the flat scrubber on it. Let's put it on low. And let's scrub the bottom of the shower floor. Again, super long handle, very sturdy. I can extend that in and out. But the main thing is, I'm not bending over to clean my bathroom. I can use it to clean the walls. Okay, so let's talk about this TUYU electric spin scrubber. I thought it did a really good job cleaning my shower. It's super easy to assemble. It comes in 3 parts out of the box. So you're going to assemble this. You don't have to put this handle on, but I do like that it makes it nice and long. Snap that on, line this up, snap that on, and then I can also extend it. Another thing I like, it's USB-C charging. Underneath here, it does come with the cable, but you got to plug this into a wall outlet, 5 volts, 1 amp, but you're going to plug it in right there and that's going to charge it. And then it tells you the battery amperage while you're charging it. That's kind of nice. And you've got the blue line is halfway around. That's 1 speed. You got low and high. So this is a fixed angle, taking the heads on and off. This is everything that comes with it. And then this is one of the ones I used. But again, just line up the 2 ears, press them on. It's very powerful. That's on low. Let's go to high. And you turn it off. Let's go over length now. So again, if you just want to use this part of it, that's fine. That's about 1 foot, 12 inches. To this next handle's about 26. With all the handles installed, about 41, but we can extend it a little bit more. So anywhere in between there. This is one of the longest ones I've tested, 48 inches long. And it is very sturdy at that, with that long of a handle is very, very sturdy. So I'm very happy with this electric spin brush. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.